Here's an interesting app. It is called Mesmerize Visual Meditation. It's getting higher and higher in the app charts. So here you can see how it looks like. Clear your mind, fall asleep fast, relieve anxiety and distress with this app. And it's available not only on iPhone but also on iPad and Apple TV. So let's just open it up to see how it works. And then here it is. So then you can just set up. And then you can just go through all these questions. You can set up notifications or not. Then there is some offer for you to subscribe. And then finally you can try it out. So this is basically how the app looks like. And then I can just drag it around. And this is the way I can also add some music, and this is how I can relax, and I can add some music, I can add some narration. So there are different types of narrations depending on the aims you want to achieve. Here there are all start, there are new, there are more, there are video settings. There is like sleep timer, visual breathing, video roulette, audio fusion, auto loop narration, narration speed, 3D voice. I don't know what that is. You can also connect it to the health kit to track mindful minutes from using Mesmerize in the health app. There is a useful Telegram community. And then finally, you can upgrade for $49.99 per year. It's free for 3 days. Uniquely hypnotic visuals that clear your mind, guided meditations, music, sleepy stories, visual breathing mode, powerful focus music, high quality natural sounds, and sleep timer. So yeah, this is like very interesting app. And then, yeah, especially if you have this newer, like iPhone 13s or something like that on a bigger screen, and you just want, you want to have this additional visual element. This is like a cool app to explore. Like, of course, maybe it's not for everyone, but this is how it looks like. And like a lot of people actually like visuals. Some people like videos, other people like visuals, other people just like sounds. So like, for example, there is calm.com or there is Headspace where you just have like sound and like audio meditation experience. So that's what like very popular, but this is like visual meditation experience. So that's what it is. So yeah, definitely give a try to this app and leave your reviews in the comments below.